Lumbernatics helps you build fully custom cabinets, shelves, and furnitures using real-world lumber dimensions. Add boards, adjust size, move and rotate parts, duplicate components, and assemble complete structures. In this tutorial, we'll start with a simple shelf structure, just the top, bottom, 2 horizontal boards and 2 vertical sideboards. Duplicate the entire structure to create a second shelf beside it. Now let's work on the first shelf. Select a horizontal level inside the frame, then use duplicate to create more levels. With all the levels selected, use spacing to evenly distribute the gaps between them so the shelf looks clean and balanced. Next, we'll move on to the second shelf. Take one of the end vertical boards, duplicate it, and move the copy inward to create a vertical column. Duplicate that column again if you want multiple sections. By starting with a shared frame and customizing each copy, you can quickly build 2 shelves with completely different internal layouts. Whether you're planning a simple wall shelf or custom wooden furnitures like deck boxes and planters, Lumbernatics gives you the tools to visualize, refine, and perfect your design before cutting a single board.